Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Pooja, and this is the morning time and I am eating idli and sambar in breakfast today. Actually, we made idli sambar for the lunch to our school for our school going childrens. So because they liked idli and sambar very much, so that's why we made it for them. And after that I will make food for everyone. So our idli and sambar is ready and it looks very beautiful. So after a long time we made idli for lunch for everyone, and it tastes very good. You know what, it tastes very good and it tastes delicious. Delicious का मतलब होता है बहुत ही स्वादिष्ट. If you are also like idli and sambar in breakfast, so please let me know in the comment. And here you can see that it's a dosa which is made for my brother-in-law. So because he don't like to eat idli, so we made dosa for him, and along with idli. So he likes dosa rather than idli, so that's why we made for him. Let me taste it. It's also taste very delicious. Yummy. This is the chutney, um, and we eat this chutney with the sambar and with this dosa and idli, and they all look taste very delicious. Now I have already eaten idli, and here you can see my room. The clothes are scattered all over here, and you can see the kitchen. Now we will make chapatis for everyone because idli has already done. This is sambar, and this is my milk which I will have after make the chapatis. And yeah, we will do the cleaning work also after making chapatis. So let's start the work. Now I am ready to make chapatis, and here I am making the holes of the floor. Now we will start to make chapatis for everyone. Now my rotis are done and I am drinking the milk because I used to have milk every day around 8 a.m. But today I'm getting late to have this milk just because of idli. I ate it idli. So now I'm having this milk after for some time, and after that we will do some cleaning work. So guys, now I am free from all the household chores, and because I was working since morning in the kitchen, so I got little bit tired. That's why I'm just lying on the bed for some time, and I'm just taking rest for some time. Then we will do some other work, okay, because we work since morning continuously. That's why we got tired a lot. That's why I need for some time to take some rest, and I get ready also a little bit and fixed my dress. Now I will take some rest, and then I will talk to you later. Here you can see that my daughter come from the school and she's getting late today. It's 2:30 p.m. and now she has take off her dress. कैसा लगा स्कूल में? एक बुक मिली। एक बुक मिली? हाँ। क्या करा फिर? आज रात रोए तो नहीं थे, फिर चुप हो गए थे स्कूल में? मम्मा की आज मैं थोड़ी देर चुप हो गया था। फिर रोया था? हाँ, रोना नहीं चाहिए है ना बेटा? मैं स्वीट डॉट। क्या हुआ? And she is my mother-in-law who hadn't had surgery a few months ago. Look at the wall here. She used to paint it the wall. She paint watercolor on the wall, which is I'm going to remove. Otherwise, they will be look bad. Hello guys, so meet my daughter Shania, and she's playing with me and she used to lots of fun with me. Here you can see that. What is your name? My name is Nitya Patel. Her name is Nitya Patel in her school. So that's why she know her name of school name. And say hello to everyone. Hello karo. Hello guys बोल दो. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. English mama or daughter mama. Now you can listen. She's San Academy. Huh? San Benedict Academy. San Benedict Academy. San Benedict Academy. She's to her school name Saint Benedict Academy. बताओ फिर से बताओ Saint Benedict Academy. She is in a nursery class right now, and currently she used to cry while going to the school. Now I'm going to end up the video here. Very soon we will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.